Hi guys, good morning guys. For today's video, I'm gonna explain you how to use the combination rings 19mm. This combination rings is very important to our vehicle, motorcycle, and etc. So guys, let's go! Hi guys, I'm Ken Tudorian Mantelia. For today's video, I'm gonna explain one of my hand tools used for mechanic. There are many hand tools to pick, but one of most important hand tools is important combination rings. What is combination rings? Combination rings is a hand tools that can remove or adjusting any bolt or nut in your car, motorcycle, and etc. Why combination rings is important? 1. All hand tools is important, but this one, the combination rings, is one of important because it is very convenient and hand carry to adjust and removing a tire space in any parts of vehicle. For use as one of automotive mechanic, what is combination rings used for? 1. As what I said earlier, combination rings used for adjusting and removing bolt and nuts to the tight space. Why I purchased this item? Guys, I buy it for myself. For in case of emergencies, when I struggle somewhere, if I have a problem on my vehicle, I can fix it by myself using these tools. Guys, and that's all. Thank you guys. I hope you learning something, and don't forget to buy an important things make you happy. God bless you all. Guys, this combination rings is very important to our vehicle.